Hello friends, myself Dr. Bhagwan Singh from Department of Chemistry, Barawali College, Janna. Today I am going to deliver seminar on environmental pollution and control. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of any component of the environment, that is air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life or property. Pollution. The term pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing nuisance, harmful effects, and uneasiness to the organisms. Now, pollutants means what? Any substance causing nuisance or harmful effects or uneasiness to the organisms, then that particular substance is called as the pollutant. These are the some types of pollutions, that is water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. This is slide showing how water pollution is happening. Water pollution can be defined as alternation in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of water through natural or human activities and making it unsuitable for its designated use. Fresh water present on the earth's surface is put to many uses. It is used for drinking, domestic and municipal uses, agricultural, irrigation, industries, navigation, recreation. The used water becomes contaminated and is called wastewater. Sources of water pollutions. Most of water pollutions is man-made. It may also occur naturally by adding of soil particles through erosion, animal waste, and leaching of minerals from rocks. The sources of water pollution can be classified as municipal wastewater, industrial waste, inorganic pollutants, organic pollutants, agricultural waste, marine pollution, thermal pollution. This is in slide showing the municipal waste water. Industrial waste. The major sources of water pollution is the wastewater discharged from industries and commercial bodies. These industries are chemical, metallurgical, food processing industries, textile, paper industries. They discharge several organic and inorganic pollutants that prove highly toxic living beings. This is the industrial waste. Inorganic pollutants. They include fine particles of different metals, chlorides, sulfates, oxides of ions, cadmium acid, and alkalis. They include oil, organic pollutants. In organic pollution includes oil, fats, phenols, organic acid, grease, and several other organic compounds. Agricultural waste. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides have become essential for a present-day high-yielding crops. Consequently, they have become a potential source of water pollution. These fertilizers contain major plants nutrients, mainly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Excess fertilizers may reach the groundwater by leaching or may be mixed with surface water of rivers, lakes, ponds by runoff and drainage. Marine pollutions. Oceans are the final sinks of all natural and man-made pollutants. Rivers discharge their pollutants into the sea. The sewage and garbage of coastal cities are also dumped into the sea. The other sources include discharge of oils, grease, detergents, and radioactive wastes from ships. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water is caused by the rise in temperature of water. The main source of thermal pollution are the thermal and nuclear power plants. The power generating plants use water as coolants and release hot water into the original source. Sudden rise in temperature kills fish and other aquatic animals. Air pollution. This slide is showing how air pollution is happening. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters, or biological matters that cause harm, discomfort to humans or other living organisms, or cause damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. A substance in the air that can cause harm to humans and the environment is known as an air pollutant. These are some causes of air pollution. First one is carbon dioxide. This happens because of deforestation and fossil fuel burning. Second one is sulfur dioxide. Due to the burning of sulfur containing compounds of fossil fuels, sulfur oxides very dangerous to human at a high concentration. Sulfur in the atmosphere is responsible for acid rain. Some consequences of air pollution. CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is a good transmitter of sunlight, but it also partially restricts infrared radiation going back from the earth into the space, which produces this so-called greenhouse effect that prevents a drastic cooling of the earth during the night. Carbon dioxide in atmosphere causes global warming. Now, the land pollution. Just see here how land pollution is going on. Land pollution is the demolition of Earth's land surface, often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Urbanization and industrialization are major causes of land pollution. Causes of land pollution. Four main causes of land pollution are construction, agriculture, domestic waste, industrial waste. As far as construction is concerned, building takes up resources. Land, the trees are chopped down and used to make buildings, which takes away the places for animals and other organisms to live. Agriculture. As there are more and more people inhabiting the earth, food is in higher demand, and so forests are chopped down and turned into farmland. In addition, herbicides, pesticides, artificial fertilizers, animal manure are washed into soil and pollute it. Domestic waste. Tons of domestic waste is dumped every day. Some waste from homes, offices, and industries can be recycled or burned in incinerators. There is still a lot of garbage, such as refrigerators and washing machines, that are dumped in landfills simply because they cannot be reused anyway nor recycled. The slide is showing how it is happening. Industrial waste. Plastic factories, chemical plants, oil refineries, nuclear waste, disposal activity, large animal farms, coal-fired power plants, metal production factories, and other heavy industries are also contribute to land pollution. This is shown here. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is excessive, displeasing human, animal, or machine-created environmental noise that disturb the activity or balance of human or animal life. Sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. World Health Organization stated that noise may be recognized as major threat to human well-being. Sources of noise pollutions. Transportation systems are the main source of noise pollution in urban areas. Construction of building, highways, streets cause a lots of noise due to the usage of air compressor, bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks, and pavement breakers. Industrial noise also adds to already unfavorable state of noise pollution. Loudspeakers, plumbing, boilers, generators, air conditioner, fans, and vacuum cleaners, and to the some extent noise pollution, add to the some extent in the noise pollution. Effects of noise pollutions. According to the US EPA, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affect the lives of millions of people. Noise pollution can damage physiological and psychological health. High blood pressure, stress-related illness, sleep disruption, hearing loss, productivity loss are the problems related to noise pollution. It can also cause memory loss, severe depression, and attacks. Planting solutions for noise pollution. Planting bushes and trees in and around sound generating sources is an effective solution for noise pollution. Regular servicing and turning of automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. Social awareness program should be taken up to educate the public about the causes and effects of noise pollution. Workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs and earmuffs for hearing protection. Similar to automobiles, lubricants of the machinery and servicing should be done by minimize noise generation. Soundproof doors and windows can be installed to block unwanted noise from outside. Regulation should be imposed to restrict the usage of play loudspeakers in crowded areas and public places. Factories and industries should be located so far from the residential areas. Ways to stop pollution. We believe that it is the responsible thing to do increase recycling. It is just like doing laundry and separating blacks and colors. The residents of the country should also try and do their part and put in at least one day of litter picking up. Another due to the pollution, that is global warming and the greenhouse effect. The first slide is showing that there is a global warming, and second slide is showing the greenhouse effect. The difference between global warming and the greenhouse effect. Global warming refers to a rise in the temperature of the surface of the earth. The greenhouse effect is a process by which thermal radiation from a planetary surface is absorbed by atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all directions. Thank you.